Okay, let's open up this Kinder Surprise.
No way.
Let's see. Wait, hang on. There it is.
Hooray!
Yes. Okay. So let's start.
I
Hang
can't
on.
open it. I can't open.
Okay,
let's-
there it is. Cha-cha-cha-cha. I'm just showing. Okay, so you want to open it? Okay, you start.
Okay, so
Let's see what kind of toys inside, right? Whoa. 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 Okay, well, let's see if we can break it evenly.
okay, we break it.
Whoa. Okay, let's see. No. Whoa. Okay, squeeze the ball. You got to squeeze the middle. You want me to help? Okay, I'll help. I'll help.
I think I can open
You can do it now?
I can. Just. Another.
Okay. You can do it from here? Okay, you do it. Whoa, you gotta go slow. Let's see. Whoa, what's this? What's this?
Oh.
Is it a minion? No. Okay, let's see what's the other thing. Leave this here. Leave this here. Let's see what the other part is. What's this? Okay, let's see how we're gonna put this together. Oh, well, hang on. There's more parts. Hang on. Okay, let me help. You want me to help? Okay, well, let's see the paper first. Let's see what this.
Let's see.
Hang on.
Wait.
Oh, I see.
I think.
So you get this part.
Wait a minute. Dada.
Yeah. Okay, so I think it's a dog that goes into the garbage bin.
In the meantime, I go eat the chocolate.
Oh, you're gonna eat the chocolate? Okay. All right, so let's see. So this goes here.